Dear all, the world is going through an unprecedented crisis.
And in order to do our part, we have to physically stay separated.
Avoiding crowded gatherings, however, does not mean that we should rest inactive.
At times like this, it is our responsibility to remain alert and find ways to spark our creativity, despite this temporary cessation of exposure to various experiences, including the modern United Nations conferences.
Digital technologies have been long used in order to facilitate communication. However, what we are currently facing is an outstanding transition from the physical to the digital world in order to stay connected.
The DSTMUN organizing team and the Secretariat will use every technology available and especially social media, aiming to stay connected with all of you that are interested in the world of MUN.
We regret to inform you that our conference is cancelled.
But what we regret the most is that the topics of our agenda are not cancelled at all.
Almost 200,000 people have died from COVID-19 in the United States. No country has been hit as hard as the US, and no country has politicized the pandemic like America either. With no vaccine and no cure for COVID-19, face masks provide the most effective protection. And yet, President Trump refuses to wear one, rejecting the advice from doctors and scientists.
Therefore, we are delighted to announce that in the following weeks, the chairs of each committee will get to present on our official website and social media accounts the topics they created the study guide upon.
While you will be able to pose any questions or opinions you may have in the comment section.
We'll also create online quizzes in a series of Instagram stories following each chair's presentation,
in order for you to test your knowledge on the topics in an easy and fun way.
The DSTMUN organizing team plans to organize several online activities, open to all and available at no cost.
Since we cannot host a physical conference, we hope to have an entire year of MUN.
Presentations, quizzes, Instagram Live or Zoom session with DSTMUN alumni and several experts on politics, economics, law and international affairs.
The only thing you have to do is stay tuned.